everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubha Joshi and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 super style hacks with these tiny little hair ties.
Sounds great!
So stay tuned till the end because this is going to go real fast, and people who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you guys doing? Subscribe to it.
Oh, come on now.
Because this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior and confidence. The first hack is to have a good French tuck, and a French tuck is actually a half tuck. So you tuck in the front of your shirt but you leave the rest of it untucked. But getting the top inside in this manner, that is our usual way, it doesn't give that neat look. So you grab your t-shirt from the front and tie it with a hair tie or a rubber band and then tuck it in. And voila, it's all done. This is really simple to do and it actually reduces the bulk which is otherwise visible in the front.
Ma Isten, ilyen választott hölgyem, teli van finom fűszerekkel, spicy!
The second hack is to have short blazer sleeves. Now, short blazer sleeves actually look quite cool, but it's hard to create them. Because blazers, the material is heavy and every time you pull it up, it keeps coming down. So here I present style number 2, where you have to put the rubber band or your hair tie over the sleeve, placing it strategically so that it's not visible. And yeah, see, it's all done. And the blazer sleeve remains there. So you can easily create a shorter sleeve on your blazer.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
The third style hack is having the perfect cuff. So let's say you have a button-down shirt and you did a French tuck, or you just prefer doing a full tuck with the help of that hair tie. And then when it came to creating that perfect cuff, not this cuff, then you saw that your cuff slides down or it uncuffs itself. So to solve this problem of your sleeve sliding down or the cuff uncuffing itself, what you can do is you can take this rubber band and just place it under or over the elbow and then roll up the sleeves. Just look at the way I am doing it right now and you'll get it. And the cuff just remains there and it looks perfect.
Wow.
Style hack number 4, keeping jeans inside your boots. When it comes to wearing skinny jeans with ankle length boots, I don't know what happens to the jeans. It just pops out and gathers around the ankle. And I'm sure you must have come across this problem because I cannot be the only one facing it. So place that hair tie at the ankle and push your jeans inside the boots now. This way the jeans does not move much even when you're walking or you're doing your work, and it does not bunch up around your ankle. Style hack number 5, fitting in your tight jeans. And I know this lockdown has caused so many people to not fit in their jeans. So I thought, why not take up this point, because even I miss my gymming days so much. So all you have to do is take that hair tie through that buttonhole and button up your jeans. And it gives you an extra room to breathe. Not to forget, you have to conceal it by taking your top over it, because otherwise the rubber band or your hair tie will be visible and you don't want that. So cover it properly because you don't want people to know about it. Shh, this is a secret between us. My In one of my previous videos, I had talked about earning money online through points. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. So this website is called Swagbucks, and you create your account there, and thereafter you just have to watch videos, or you can earn points through surveys. If you shop online, then also you get some Swagbucks, and these Swagbucks, when they get collected, you can redeem them. Either you can get money on your PayPal account, or you can just redeem it buying some other product. Swagbucks is a safe way of earning money online. I first came to know about it when I was in the US. So I can assure you that people around the world, they use Swagbucks and it's safe. So anyone who's interested in earning money online, you can click on the link below. I have given a link to Swagbucks, so you just click on it and you can start your own account. That's all for today, guys. Do let me know, out of these 5 hacks, which hack worked for you really well. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel along with that bell icon, because if you don't press the bell icon, I have to say this over and over again, because if you don't press the bell icon, you will not come to know about my latest videos. So subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. That's very important.
And don't forget,
This channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence.